Hi my YouTube friends and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady. We are celebrating the holiday season. Stick around. We're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. The holidays are all about having fun, enjoying family and friends, and doing things that are exciting. And so today we're going to show you how to make Christmas cookies and all those fun things. We'll be doing that with our very own Chef Stover. We are in the kitchen of Chef Stover. And I tell you, holidays are about more than just shopping and doing all of those hustle and bustle type of activities, but it's also a time to take time and spend time with your family doing some fun activities. And I tell you, today I'm so happy because we are going to make Christmas cookies. And the chef, he will be showing us how we can do that. I was so happy he was giving me this opportunity. So stay tuned. We're going to show you how we get our cookie on.
Good evening, sports fans. It's your boy, culinary Mike Stover, and I am thrilled to be with you guys today, and I'm going to show you how to make gingerbread cookies. I'm going to list my ingredients for you first. I have 6 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 2 eggs. I have 3 cups of firmly packed brown sugar. I have 1 cup of molasses. Right here I have a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, salt, nutmeg, and ginger. Over here I have 2 cups of firmly packed salt and butter. And I'm going to put this thing together and I will show you my finished product. You always mix your dry with your dry. So first we're going to add the nutmeg, the cinnamon, the salt, and the sugar. All in one. I'm not going to use a mixer this time because I never use a mixer actually when I'm doing my cookies, especially when I'm doing gingerbread. So we're going to do this. Okay, sports fans, remember, even though you can use an electric mixer to mix your ingredients, I chose to do mine by hand. Okay, next, you go with your wet, which should be molasses, salt and butter, and of course, your eggs. One. And 2. And I will be right back. Okay, sports fans, so now I need you to really pay attention to when you are mixing these things. Completely mix your dry items all together. After that, put your wet items in. That way, you will get the consistency that you desire. Sports fans, so when it's all said and done, your gingerbread should look something like this. If it turns out to be just a little dry, all you do is add maybe a half a cup of whole milk. Okay, sports fans, so here we go. This is, like I said earlier, this is what your gingerbread should look like. What we're gonna do now is put this a little damp rag on your counter. Following, add flour to your surface. And also, when we start rolling it, we're also gonna make our rolling pan damp. And also put some flour on that. The gingerbread won't stick, all right? So here we go. You can have any thickness that you want. And always work it from the center out. You see how easy and smooth that is? And that's because the gingerbread isn't sticking to the roller pan. And there it is, and we will be back with the finished product. It's doing various stencils. This is a gingerbread tree. So what I'm doing now is putting different stencils on my gingerbread. Just because it's gingerbread, it doesn't necessarily mean that it has to be a gingerbread. These are gingerbread cookies. So, you don't have to put flour to pan, nor do you have to put them on a greased cookie sheet, because this gingerbread has its own. It has flour, and it also flour is already in it, and it also has butter in it too. So it's going to secrete its own lubrication onto the sheet. Snowman. We're going to preheat this oven to 300, and we'll cook them about 10 minutes and then check them. All right, sports fans, this is the finished product right here. It turned out to be pretty good, actually. As far as decorating them are concerned, you can do any design that you want to on them. It's totally up to you. All right, sports fans, here is the finished product. Like I said earlier, you can decorate them any way you want to. This is just the way that I chose to do so. Happy baking. It was fun. We'll see you soon.
Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.